Instructional Design and Technology, or IDT, is a dynamic field that blends history, theory, and innovation to create effective learning experiences and empower learners. The Association for Educational Communications and Technology, AECT, which is a professional organization that represents instructional designers and technologists, defines instructional design as the ethical study and application of theory, research, and practices to advance knowledge, improve learning and performance, and empower learners through strategic design, management, implementation, and evaluation of learning experiences and environments using appropriate processes and resources. Whoa! That is a mouthful. Let's try to figure out what all that means and break it down piece by piece. So, the ethical study and application. Instructional designers don't just guess how to teach, they study, research, and make thoughtful, responsible decisions to help people learn in the best way possible. Theory, research, and practices. Instructional designers use ideas from experts, the theory, evidence of what works, the research, and hands on methods, the practices, to create effective learning. Advanced knowledge, improve learning and performance. Instructional designers' goal is to help people learn new things, do their jobs better, or understand subjects more deeply. Empower learners. Well, instructional designers make sure learners have the tools and opportunities to succeed. It's not just about teaching, it's about helping people grow. Strategic design, management, implementation, and evaluation. Well, instructional designers plan lessons and materials very carefully. That's the design part. They oversee the process. That's the management part. They deliver the learning. That's the implementation part. And they check to see if it worked. That's the evaluation part. Learning experiences and environments. Well, instructional designers work on lessons, online courses, training videos, and even virtual reality simulations. These environments can be in person, digital, or a mix of both. Appropriate processes and resources. This means instructional designers choose the right tools and methods for the job, whether it's using a computer program, a video, or hands on materials. Hopefully that helped break down that definition. But what do instructional designers actually do? Well, instructional designers are like architects for learning. Instead of designing buildings, they design ways for people to learn. And here are some of the things that instructional designers do. Instructional designers analyze needs. They figure out what people need to learn and why. For example, does a team at company A need to learn new software? Or does a university want to offer an online course in perhaps instructional design? Instructional designers create learning materials. So they write lesson plans, they design slides, they create videos, kind of like this one, and even build online courses or games. Instructional designers use technology. They use tools like e learning software, simulations, interactive quizzes, learning management systems to make learning engaging and effective. Instructional designers collaborate with experts. They work with teachers, trainers, subject matter experts to make sure that the content that we're creating is accurate and useful. And then instructional designers test and improve the materials that they've created or the environments that they've created. Instructional designers test them with learners and make improvements based on that feedback.